Communication in business is make or break. If your team is constantly missing messages, struggling to collaborate, or drowning in email chains, then productivity takes a hit. But the good news, if you're using Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace, you already have the tools to fix this today. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to improve communication across your team, no matter where they are in the world, and make sure your business runs like a well-oiled machine. Scattered teams can create disconnected communication. Picture this: Johnny's in New York working on a client proposal. Rachel's in London handling customer service. Jack's in Singapore managing project deadlines. 3 people, 3 time zones, and 1,000 ways for miscommunication to slow them down. Emails get buried, files go missing, calls don't happen when they should. So how do you fix this? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Streamline email communication. First things first. Ditch personal emails for business communication. I'm going to assume you're already doing this because why wouldn't you? There's nothing worse than a free generic Hotmail or Gmail address used in a business. If you don't care about your business image, then you don't care about your client's business image. If you're using Microsoft 365, then you're already using Exchange Online to manage emails. It syncs across all devices, integrates with Outlook, and gives you shared mailboxes for teams to manage customer inquiries efficiently. If you're using Google Workspace, you're using Gmail for Business. It comes with Google Chat built in, integrates seamlessly with Drive, and is perfect for real-time collaboration. The key here, keep work emails within your business domain. No more team members using personal Gmail accounts for work. It's unprofessional and a security risk. Step 2. Use video calls for real conversations. Email is great, but for real conversations, video calls win every time. On Microsoft 365, use Microsoft Teams, schedule meetings straight from Outlook, use breakout rooms for focused discussions, and even record calls with transcripts for easy reference. On Google Workspace, use Google Meet. It's simple, integrated with Calendar, and lets you live stream meetings when you need to present to a bigger audience. The rule here, if an email thread is dragging on for more than 3 replies, jump on a call instead. Step 3. Collaborate on documents in real time. Johnny, Rachel, and Jack are all working on the same proposal, but if they're emailing Word docs back and forth, that's a disaster waiting to happen. Microsoft 365 users use SharePoint to share documents, co-author in real time, and avoid version chaos. Google Workspace users use Google Drive and Docs, sheets and slides for live collaboration, automatic saving, and instant feedback. No more final-v3.docx file names. Work in the cloud and you'll always have the latest version. Step 4. Use AI to work smarter, not harder. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer for communication and productivity. Microsoft 365 users use Copilot in Outlook, Word, and Teams to summarize long email threads, generate reports, and even suggest responses. Google Workspace users use Gemini AI to draft emails, summarize meetings, and pull insights from documents instantly. The takeaway: if you're drowning in emails and reports, let AI do the heavy lifting. Step 5. Secure everything with Multi-Factor Authentication, or MFA for short. Now, all of this only works if your data is secure. If you're still relying on just a password, your business is vulnerable. Microsoft 365 users go to the Admin Center and enable Multi-Factor Authentication for all accounts. Google Workspace users use Google Advanced Protection to lock down accounts with 2-step verification. This is non-negotiable. Cyber threats are real, and MFA is the easiest way to keep hackers out. In conclusion, implement this today. If your team is still struggling with email overload, missed meetings, and lost documents, it's time to fix it. So, 1. Set up Exchange or Gmail for email. 2. Use Teams or Meet for video calls. 3. Store documents in SharePoint or Google Drive. 4. Automate tasks with Copilot or Gemini AI. 6. And above all, secure everything with MFA. This isn't just theory, you can implement all of this today and instantly improve communication in your business. If this helped, hit like and subscribe and let me know in the comments, what's your biggest communication challenge? Let's fix it together. And if this made you rethink how you use IT in your business, hit like and subscribe. We break down solutions and strategies like this all the time. See you next time.